Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Midea 12,000 BTU's window air conditioner. Midea design allows the window to open, allowing fresh air to your home at any time and also allowing you to keep the view after the unit has been installed. The anti-theft mechanism is designed to lock the window shut for additional security. The Midea smart inverter is 9 times less noisy in comparison to traditional units. The U-shaped design makes use of windows to block out external noise, and the highly efficient inverter system ensures extremely low frequency and noise. This makes for a silent operation with a low of 42 dB, which is almost the same as in library, meaning you can enjoy a peaceful evening's sleep or watch your favorite shows without interruption. With the latest DC inverter technology, Midea achieves over 35% savings in energy consumption compared to traditional models, and is only the second window AC to be awarded the ENERGY STAR Most Efficient 2022 certification. Additionally, you can get advantages from your local energy supplier. Install the bracket that comes with the quick snap to set the unit up upon the bracket, then attach the arms to the bracket. Then, you're completed and can begin enjoying. It is available for double hung or single hung windows that measure 22-36 with a minimum height of 13.75 inches. Its Midea Smart Inverter air conditioner is Wi-Fi compatible and is able to be operated from any location via the cloud via the Midea Air application on iOS as well as Android. It is also possible to use voice commands in your home office, apartment, or home with Alexa as well as Google Assistant. Our second best air conditioner is Black Plus Decker 14,000 BTU's air conditioner. A cooling system inside your home can ensure that you are cool at all times, relaxed, and comfortable even during those scorching summer months. However, if you live in smaller space, the installation of an indoor wall-mounted AC unit may not be necessary. If you're looking to keep your space cool and comfortable without having to permanently install a massive air conditioner, this mobile AC unit is the ideal solution for those hot moments of summer. You can take this portable air conditioner into the space you like. Cool down during the scorching summer months and rest well by using this Black & Decker AC unit for your bedroom. Controller is a remote control. Set the temperature to your liking with this AC portable air conditioner. The portable AC unit features a washable filter that slides out as well as an automatic water evaporation process and a 24-hour timer. With casters at the bottom and side handles for this tiny air conditioner, this air cooler as well as portable AC 14,000 BTU air conditioner is able to be transferred from room to room without hassle. When it comes to the fans which blow cold air, this indoor air conditioner comes with window kits that are simple to put in. An airflow vent with a large outlet lets cool air in without requiring windows. Third in our list is LG 14,000 BTU Smart Window Air Conditioner. Through the LG ThinQ application, you can control the air conditioning from any location via your smartphone, Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa. The revolutionary dual inverter technology provides the most powerful and quiet operation, with sound levels of as low as 44 decibels even during the sleep mode. Dual inverter technology is up 25% more efficient in energy use over that of ENERGY STAR certification requirements that saves time and money. LG ThinQ technology allows you to operate your LG cooling system from any location. You can stop or start cooling, switch the mode, and set temperatures while you're on the move. It also integrates together with Amazon Alexa and Hey Google, which allows you to change settings using simple voice commands. For cooling and fan speed with Auto Cool allows you to modify the cooling. LG window air conditioners featuring dual inverter technology offer up to 25% more energy savings over the ENERGY STAR certification requirements. The dual inverter compared to the non-inverter 12K BTU model. Innovative dual inverter compressor technology moves air quickly and quietly. Number 4 in our best air conditioner list is Kitikute Portable Air Conditioners. Its portable air conditioning unit is equipped with large louvers, making it safe for children as well as pets to get their hands on. Additionally, the portable AC has been made to use less power and helps to conserve energy and lower your electricity bill, which makes it a great choice for both homes and small-scale firms. There is no need to bend over for refills or frequent trips to the store. After being filled with water, the portable air conditioner that can be used in room is able to be used for up to 20 hours. The drawable water tank inside the air cooler is ideal for filling with water and cleaning during normal times. In addition, the top water tank can be used to place 4 ice boxes to chill the water to ensure that it will provide constant cooling repeatedly. It is easy to maintain and clean. You can follow guidelines for minor scale maintenance at your home and don't have to regularly seek out professional help for maintenance, saving time and cash. Portable air conditioners can be used to blow, humidify or cool down rooms, delivering quick and efficient cooling in a matter of seconds, and ensuring the constant cooling. It's more efficient and faster effective than conventional air conditioners and fans that allow you to experience stronger breezes and more efficient cooling each day during the hot days of summer. There's no need to be confined indoors. With 3 speeds and 3 modes, as well as a 60 degrees automatic tilt, this cooler provides the comfort you want. This portable air conditioner can be used for multiple purposes to ensure that the air in your office or home healthy and healthy. One 12H timer allows for more convenience and less stressful staying cool through the night and creating cold. Our last pick is Frigidaire for 051W window air conditioner. This air conditioners keep the temperature of the room, which means you'll be comfy throughout the times. Controller type, button control. Air efficiency of flow. Remove dust from the air and help keep your dehumidifier operating efficiently by using this washable, easy to clean filter. Space, wise adjustable design, optional side panels. With the adjustable side panels, the side panels will extend to best fit your window. Comes with an extra long 3-prong cord, makes extension cords unnecessary. Automatically resumes operating at its previous settings when power is restored to your unit.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!